All right, we're here today to talk about our latest DIY plans, which is a 3-tiered planter box. This came about because we got a lot of emails talking about our bucket planters, our raised bed boxes, and a lot of people wanted something for the patio that was going to be strong. That's the biggest key with a lot of these things. You'll see a lot of tiered planters that are made from very thin wood. This has a 2x4 frame using 1x for the 3 boxes. It only takes 3 2x4x8s to build and 3 1x8x10s, 1 inch to build the boxes. So very economical, especially with wood these days and the prices. But what I like about this is you have a full 7.5 inches deep, so you can get some serious plants in here. You see we have some herbs up top, some chives, some thyme, a little oregano. We put some coleus in here just to kind of show you can use flowers. We even took a hanging basket. You can actually sit baskets down in here. Let me take this out for a second and show you. Definitely nice soil depth of 7.5 inches. You can drill some holes in the bottom. You can line it if you want, but you don't have to. The overall dimensions of this, it's about 38 inches wide, about 32 to 33 inches out from, if you have it next to a patio. So it's still narrow enough to allow plenty of room by, and then about 33 inches high. So a nice sized box. A lot of the ones you see on the market are just really not big enough or tall enough to grow anything. You can grow flowers and herbs, even some lettuce crops in here. Very easy to build. You can build this in just a few hours. Like I said, just 3 2x8s. That's pretty quick to do there. So you put your soil mix in. About 1 3 cubic foot bag will fill this. So again, a little bit more economical, and you can just see a nice look. You can stain it, you can let it stay natural, but just a great project. We'll have that on the blog. We also have it in our DIY plan store, but great afternoon project. This makes a great gift, whether it's Mother's Day, whether it's a birthday, whether it's a gift for yourself. Just a great, easy build and a fun project.